Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Smartsheet, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Smartsheet is known for its spreadsheet-like interface and flexible project management capabilities. It offers features such as automation, team collaboration, dashboards and reporting, proofing, account administration, integrations, digital asset management, resource management, portfolio management, secure request management, intelligent workflows, and no-code work apps. In the terms of pricing, Smartsheet offers a free plan for people just getting started. Second, Pro plan is priced $9. Third, Business plan is priced $32. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is available. Smartsheet also offers these plans yearly pricing. In summary, both ClickUp and Smartsheet offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. On the other hand, Smartsheet's spreadsheet-like interface and flexible project management capabilities may appeal to organizations seeking a familiar and adaptable tool for project management. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.